Hi, this is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty here in Naples, Florida. I'm having a photographer here today. He's taking photos of this property. It's an estate home. It's a very private home. 3-bed. It has been upgraded. Let's come inside. It has been beautifully finished. Crown moulding. It's the master, obviously, over here. It's got its own walk-in closet, dual sinks. Your dining area, living area. Over here we've got the kitchen. Korean countertop pass through there. Back here you have your French doors going out. Kitchen has stainless appliances. Your breakfast, family room, and then you've got your 2 guest bedrooms over here. Again, this is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty in Naples. Email me barry@swflluxury.com. That's barry@swflluxury.com for more information on this property. It's a beauty. The area is WeberWoods. There's your backyard. Again, this is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty in Naples, Southwest Florida. Email me barry@swflluxury.com. Thank you.